Okay, good morning. This is my second workshop video. So today I'm going to just talk quickly about what I'm going to be doing today. Yesterday was a good day. We got the main wooden structure for the base for the Morrison box sorted out. So that's kind of all ready to start fitting the mechanics in and then mount the Perspex dome on once that arrives, which should be today or tomorrow, so that's quite exciting. So today it's going to be less making sawdust, working with wood. It's going to be more about metalworking and working on my lathe today. So I've started already turning these little bushes or little flanges, which are going to be the top of the trees. So on the money box there's 8 sort of brass bars that go up and they fix onto those, and then they form, and then I'm going to form resin tops to them like this. This is a small sort of just a test one, so they'll be bigger than this. But basically the brass is going to be embedded in the resin. So rather than kind of bolt it on, which is my original idea, it just seemed to make sense to actually cast the resin around it, and then you just got one solid sort of resin disc with a brass fitting that I can then tap a hole in and fit onto the top of the brass sort of trunk. And then the whole thing will spin, or the middle sections will spin. So that's kind of where I'm headed. I'm hopefully get those, think about casting those tomorrow, which would be great if I can get all these done. So I've got 8 of these little things that I've kind of basically shaped out, and got a 5/8 hole that end and a 1/2 inch hole that end. Today I need to mainly cast down turn down the top flange here, so that it allows some resin to fill that space, so it's not just solid brass, so it just gives it more to bite into, and then drill some holes for similar reasons, so the resin becomes part of the they kind of fuse together more, or at least mechanically bonded more. So I've got 8 of these, loads of little pile of these things, which are lovely. I love turning brass. So we start off with that, a big long length of that, and then we turn these little things. They all came off there. And then we just have to keep working that. I've also, once we've done that, although it's not so urgent today because we don't do any casting with it, but I've also got this big bar of aluminium, which is going to be cut down to very similar things, slightly bigger, for the base of each of the trees. So on the bottom, just below the sort of sight line, you'll see these things will be holding the trees in position. So I've mainly gone with aluminium to keep the cost down, and I think it looks quite cool, brass and aluminium together. But originally it was going to be brass, but I thought I'd do it with this. And it's a bit lighter as well, because the whole thing's getting a bit heavy at the moment. That's that today. So hopefully it'll be a bit fresher today. We had a magnificent thunderstorm last night, which kind of woke us up, and we lay there in our attic bedroom looking up through the Velux window, and it's just poof, lightning just every few seconds, which was stunning and really awe-inspiring. But a lot of rain came with it, and the garden is looking really super fresh and nice today. But I think the temperatures are going to be even higher later, so it's going to be humid. Nice day anyway. It's cool in the cellar, so I'm happy. So that's my video number 2. I've just kind of started these and trying to get the hang of it really. So bear with me. Hopefully when I've done a few more of these, it'll start to make sense. Goodbye. See you later.